Well, good day, everybody, and thanks for popping through. Well, firstly, let me please thank the manager here at the Brookwater Golf and Country Club for accommodating me and letting me have a free reign, basically, of the golf course to take some footage in this beautiful, beautiful location. Absolutely stunning morning, and I had the best morning there flying to the fact that I actually rang him in the afternoon and asked him if I can do a bit of a sunset out there too, and without hesitation accommodating me in doing that as well, and really do appreciate that, mate. Thank you very much. So hopefully out of the footage that you'll see today, I can actually do this place some justice because it is very difficult sometimes to actually capture what's around you and to give the feeling of what's actually happening around there. So hopefully, fingers crossed, it turned out okay for everyone. On another note, it is Mother's Day here in Australia, so I would like to thank all the mums in the world for all the work and effort and hard work you've done with the sons and daughters that have been a pain in the butt for the last 50 odd years, I guess. And a special thank you very much for my mother for putting up with me for so long. And hopefully I haven't turned out too bad in your eyes. So happy Mother's Day, Mum. Thanks for everything you've done, and thanks for everything that you're going to do as well. So please enjoy the footage here as my Mother's Day present to you at the Brookwater Golf and Country Club. And I shall see everybody on the next one. Ciao.
Turn the tide, let the water go where it wants to go. You can run and hide, you can bury yourself beneath the stones. Somebody told me don't pretend, 'cause everyone could use a friend sometimes. Take some good advice. Don't let your fear decide. That's how you break inside. You don't need to worry, somebody is waiting down the line. You pick up the pieces, hey, you'll be alright. Feel the sun and how the wind makes way across the fields. Let me take a breath. Let me be a part of something real. Someone said it's better when you hold on to a helping hand. Sometimes could all use a friend.